Okay, so now we are going to check again the home page in TweetDeck, but we are going to go a little bit deeper in the possibilities of this page. As we see, we can we can show just tweets with different kind of media, for example, images. If we click on that, we are going to see in our timeline just tweets with pictures and images, of course, and anything else. But we can use that, for example, to see the tweet with videos. And as we can see, we can just click on the video and watch it. And it works like in Twitter. We are watching the content with any problem. So it's very useful too. But after that, what we're going to do is match words between the tweets and our search. For example, if we want to search about a movie or movies in general, we can type this word, and the tweets with this word in the tweet are going to appear. And we can exclude content too. For example, we're seeing Stanley, hashtag Stanley. We are going to put hashtag Stanley in the excluding words. And if we search, this has disappeared. Although not all the Stanley tweets, because Stanley without hashtag is a different word. So we need to type it too, and then it will disappear too. As we can see, there's no tweet about hashtag Stanley or Stanley at all. About retweets, it's very simple. This part we can include or exclude retweets. In the timeline that we have now, there are any retweets, so we cannot show the possibilities of this tool. But if we type in exclude, all the retweets by these accounts will disappear. Although, as I say, we don't have any retweet by this account. After showing these possibilities, we are going to move forward with tweet authors. As you can see, we can search with specific user, verified users, or even with your own account. We are going to search with a specific user, for example, Champions League. And we see the content of Champions League. The other content has disappeared. Just the content of this account. And for example, we are going to search with an account. For example, Soy Motor is an account of Formula One and cars and motorsport from Spain. But we want to search the Carlos Sainz content. He is a driver, and we just want his content, and put in these words, we're going to see just the tweet in which Soy Motor mentions Carlos Sainz. And at last but not least, this is very simple. We can enable notifications with sounds or even with desktop, but we need to accept this this possibility. We are not going to do it. We don't need it. And the media preview sites. This is very simple. It's about the article of photo or video size. So if we put large, as we can see, it's a very big large content. If we put small, it's obviously smaller, and hidden is just the link and anything else. We can click there to see the video, for example, but we don't see it. And with the rest of them, we see the video in different type of sizes. As we can see, it's a simple video, and we can watch it. And now, we have this video, The Beatles' Hey Jude, one of the most famous songs of all time. We are going to share the content, but not directly in Twitter. Imagine that we need to put this link in Twitter, to share this link, but in a week, in a month, in 3 months, or in a moment that we can't attend, for example, in the middle of the night. We are going to copy the link and paste the link in TweetDeck. So we're going to schedule the tweet. Imagine that we need to post this tweet, but in 1 month or 3 months. We can do it without thinking about it. But obviously we are not going to do that. Now is 2:40. Right now it's 2:40. So we're going to post the tweet in at 2:45, for example, of today, November 28th, Wednesday of 2018. It's 2 o'clock and 45 minutes p.m. And we are going to post the song at this hour very easily. Just click in here and that's it. Now it's scheduled. The tweet is going to be published in this hour. We have these scheduled tweets here, but obviously the new tweet doesn't appear. But if we refresh the page, the new tweet is going to appear in the scheduled tweets. As we can see, at 2:45 p.m. of today, in a couple of minutes, the video is going to be published by my account. So now we are going to check if this is true, and obviously it is. It's very simple use, and very useful, very useful. So now it's 2:45, we have new tweet, and oh, it's the Beatles Hey Jude song we posted at the exactly hour it was scheduled. Here it is. If we go again to TweetDeck, we are going to see that it's scheduled because it's not refreshed. But if we refresh the page again, it's not here anymore. It doesn't appear anymore because it's already published. But we can publish any tweet we wanna publish at any moment of the day. So this tool, in my opinion, is extremely useful.